Hello, David.
Hi.
Your shirt. It's on the wrong way around.
Oh. Doesn't matter.
I heard Mum and Dad came by yesterday and brought you some of the books you like.
No one was here yesterday.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No one came. No one ever comes to visit me.
And that's not true, David. We come almost every day.
No, you don't.
Well, we'll try to come more often then.
I've got something for you.
Oh, yeah? What's that?
It's my application letter.
Do you want me to give it a read?
Sure.
This is really good, David.
Do you think they'll take me?
I'm sure they will. Your grades are perfect. You're an incredible musician. They can't refuse you.
Will you submit it for me?
Sure. I brought you something. A game. Would you like to play? All right. Each card has a letter. I'll pick out a card and your task will be to find a word beginning with that letter. All right? B. What's that thing Mum bakes on Sundays? You like yours with butter and jam. It's bread.
Right, yeah. I knew that.
D. You know this one. It's the first letter of your name. What's your name?
I know why you're doing this. You're trying to make me look stupid because I've always been the smarter one and you hated that.
That's not true, David. I'm not trying to make you feel bad. You're good at this.
I didn't get a single word.
You're just having a bad day, David.
Everything's bad. It's so bad. Thomas, get off me. Get off me, Thomas. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Thomas. Did he give you his letters?
Yeah, he did.
It's only a matter of time until your brother will no longer recognise you.
He's my brother, though. And I can't just give up on him. And what if he could get better?
He can't get better.
Who gave you that? Mum did.
Do you remember our summers in Scotland? Right before the sun went down, and everything looked golden. You could hear the waves of the sea and smell the salt in the air. We
used to lie in the field behind the house and listen to the birds, the nightingales, woodlarks and blackbirds.